I started off stupid and violent.
You did?
This was a long time ago, you understand? I was a real terror then. And I was hungry all the time.
Personality. Thank goodness the crowmonger. It's taken 280 portions of brain grain to jumpstart that skull of yours, pal. I want some wood.
Lunch? What's lunch?
Excuse me. Check out the other brain graduates. I gotta report to Captain New Eyes. It's so sharp.
Hi, everybody.
My name is
Rex. Hey, how do they do that?
I'm Elsa. Enchanted and delighted to make your acquaintance, Rex.
Yeah, okay.
Hey, I'm Boog. You want a hot dog?
Yeah, sure I do.
Or do you want a hot dog? Dog.
Is it good?
Is it good? Words fail me. How many we had so far today, Dweeb?
250, and that's with everything.
Take it on faith, Rex. You want a hot dog?
Hi, I'm Dweeb. He's gonna have mustard on it.
You don't forget the sauerkraut. I was amazed by the sauerkraut. I did. Oh, I was so embarrassed. Rex, I feel such a fool, but I must say it. You are a rough and handsome fellow. Forgive me.
That's good. Ah, hey, that's what I call lunch.
Buns, that's what you used to call me.
Hey, I'm sorry about the way I've acted.
We all have regrets, Rex.
Tell me about it. The things I've stepped on.
Let's face it, we've evolved.